Welcome to Zikzok Coin Action. Hello dear friends, in this video we'll be discussing the 1984 DG Reg Affectee Elizabeth to £1 coin. Listen friends, you don't know how special the coin you have is. You are in the right place. Today's video can change your life.
Thank you very much for coming to the Zikzok Coin Action. Dear friends, today comprehensive guide to the 1984 Elizabeth II £1 coin. This coin is a fascinating piece of numismatic history, and today we'll take a deep dive into its value, historical significance, and everything you need to know. Let's explore friends. The 1984 Elizabeth II £1 coin is more than just a piece of currency. It's a snapshot of a specific moment in time. The D.G.Reg.F.D inscription represents De Gratia Regina Fidei Defensa, meaning by the grace of God, Queen Defender of the Faith. In 1984, this inscription was updated, and that change is crucial in assessing the coin's rarity. Lovely friend, there are two notable varieties of this coin. The first features the older DGREG inscription, while the second, and more common one, displays D.G.Reg.F.D. This difference in inscription makes the 1984 DGREG £1 coin particularly special for collectors. The DGREG version is the rarer of the two and consequently tends to be more valuable.
Now, talk about the value.
Lovely viewers, the condition of the coin is another critical factor influencing its value. Circulated 1984 DGREG-FD Elizabeth II £1 coins typically range in value from around $70 to $120 according to PCG. However, if you're lucky enough to own an uncirculated or proof grade specimen, the value can skyrocket to $520, $1,050, or even more. It's all about preserving the coin's original quality.
Important to keep in mind that the coin market is highly volatile and prices can change rapidly.
So friends, beyond its monetary value, this coin represents an era in British history, marking the reign of Queen Elizabeth II. Holding one of these coins is like holding a piece of British heritage. In your hand, it's a testament to the longevity and legacy of the British monarchy.
I hope you enjoy this video. Elizabeth to £1 coin history and value. Subscribe Zikzok Coin Action. Thanks.